Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val, where I unbox subscription boxes, including FabFitFun. Okay, I just got my FabFitFun box yesterday. I got home from work and it was just waiting for me, and I got super excited. I was like, yes, FabFitFun, FabFitFun. Okay, so this is a FabFitFun Fall 2023 box. We are in 2023. I mean, we've been in 2023 for like a while now, 8 months, but I'm super excited to open this box. I am an annual member, and that means that I paid $219 actually in December of 2022 for a year, so I have to renew that in a few months. I don't know if I'm going to go back to being annual again or not. I will have to figure that out. But I wanted to do annual member. And as an annual member, you get to customize your whole box. As a seasonal member, you can only do 3 or 4 of the customizations. Anyways, so this is my box, and I'm super excited to open it, as you can tell. FabFitFun has been one of my favorite subscription boxes since fall 2019. So what I'm going to do before I open it is I want to let you know, subscribe down below. Don't forget that. Just subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. It's totally free. It just helps my channel grow and gain more of a following, and be able to conversate and interact with more of you, which I'd be excited to have, more of you to interact with. Anyways, so FabFitFun, let's go ahead and open it. Got my box cutter, and it's heavy. So it is heavy, this box. Okay, ready? You probably won't be able to see my face, but that's fine. Oh. Let's see, how do I open it? Hello? Oh, duh. Okay, now you probably won't be able to see my face. Okay, ready? I'm gone. I'm just kidding. Okay, so here it is. This is the box, and let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so I think like the last 2 boxes, we've got a little scratcher thing to see if you can win something. So I'll do that after the video. And then we'll just got our box. Okay, so what the heck is this? What did I get here? Oh, I don't know what I got. And then we got some HelloFresh stuff. So first thing that I have in here, they sent a sample of the Ricola throat balm and caramel flavor. I love caramel, and I work at a daycare, so my throat suffers at least once a month from being sick, so that might help a lot during the day, and because fall's coming. Okay, the next thing, I don't know. I didn't even ask for this. I don't know how I got this. Okay, so I think maybe because I didn't know what to choose for one of the... Maybe I did choose this. I don't know. I didn't know what to choose for one of the products, so maybe they sent me this instead. And what this is the IGK New York City, Miami, LA, I don't know. Legendary shampoo and conditioner. The Dream Hair shampoo and the Dream Hair conditioner. The shampoo is microbiome prebiotic and Red Sea algae. They are vegan and cruelty free. And then this one is the Dream Hair conditioner with shea butter and Red Sea algae. Let's go ahead and smell them. I like smelling things. It smells nice. Yeah, it smells nice. I could try it out when I'm done with what I have right now. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open everything else. So I got Ettika mini. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. So I chose this one. The shampoo and the conditioner I didn't choose, but I chose this one. This is a mini ring box. If I can open it. Come on, box cutter. You're not doing your job. I think I need to get a new blade for this. Anyways, okay. So this is the Ettika mini ring box, and I chose this. I think it's like glass and gold. It's wrapped like so nicely. It is wrapped so nicely. Oh, and it feels like nice quality. I am excited for this one. It feels like nice quality. Okay, so this is the product. It's just glass. It's got a mirror at the bottom, and then at the bottom on the outside it says Ettika, wear with confidence. I am super excited for this. I just, like I said, a little mini ring box, so I can throw like any of my rings in there. And I want to put it on the shelf behind me. That's where I want to put it, because I think it would look super cute there. Okay, next product is the Darling Spring Salt and Pepper Shaker. And I chose this one too. I'm super excited for this because I should be getting a kitchen table soon. Trying to save money for a kitchen table. And I want to put these on the middle and keep these in the middle of my table. So it comes with just salt and pepper shaker. They're green, which I think the color of it is perfect for fall. It reminds me of like fall green colors. And this one's the pepper. It says P for pepper. And then this one's the salt. It says S for salt. And the brand is Darling Spring. Yeah, Darling Spring. So it's got the Darling Spring logo right there. And it's got the Darling Spring logo right here. And what I like about this is, I guess, the contrast. So the pepper, it's solid green, but it's got the light green with like the specks, little speckles right there on the top. And then the salt, it's that light green of the pepper shaker from the top, but with like light green specks. And then it's got the solid green on the top. So I'm super excited for these. What's next? Oh, I'm super excited for those too. Oh no, this is open. This is open. Okay, let's do this one first. So this one, you know what, I'm putting the box down. I don't want the box on. Okay. Oh, I'm super excited for these. Okay, so something that I've been getting into, I chose these. I pretty much chose my whole box, except for that shampoo and conditioner, which I left it up to them. But this one, I chose this because I've been getting into jump roping and trying to be more active, and jump roping is a good way to be active. So I did choose the Reebok jump rope. So it comes with their ropeless version, so you just go like this, and it also comes with a screen there so it can track your jumps. And these are actually kind of heavy, like heavy duty. I think you need a battery because this one feels lighter than this one, so I think you're gonna need a battery. It also comes with the rope, so if you want to use the rope, you can definitely use the rope. But this is what it looks like. These are the Reebok. They're Reebok jump rope. And I'm super excited to try these out and go to the gym, because I've been neglecting the gym, but I'm ready to go back. Next product is a blankie. I am a sucker. I am a sucker for throw blankets. I love blankets. I love sleeping in blankets, even when it's a little warm. If it's too warm, I let my feet out and just dangle out, or I take off my socks. and I just love blankets. Charlie, if you can see Charlie, he's got a unhide blanket that he likes. That's I also got from FabFitFun. And then I got another blanket from FabFitFun, I think last December or spring. It was their travel blanket. And I got another unhide blanket from FabFitFun. I think one of my my first or second box. I got another unhide blanket that I gifted to my mom. And this one, the woven throw blanket. Now let's open it. I don't think you can have too many blankets in a home. Like Texas, I haven't lived through it before, but they did go through a freeze. And the power did go out, at least in San Antonio, I know that for sure. The power did go out for a little bit, and it was cold. So if that ever happened again, and my power went out, I would need a whole bunch of blankets. So this one kind of feels, it's not like super soft, it definitely feels, kind of gives me like a wicker blanket vibe. I don't know if that makes sense. But this is the little Korboose woven throw blanket, and I do like the feel of the blanket. It does give me fall vibes, and I'm super excited to add this blanket to my collection. Let's go ahead and open it. And there were two color options to choose from. I chose the more like burnt red one. That kind of reminds me of a burnt red. Let's go ahead and open it and show you. So it's got the little like tassels at the bottom, and it is, ooh, it's a nice size blanket. I'm excited for this one. It is a nice size blanket. It's taller than me, and I love it. It's perfect for like fall. I'm just gonna throw it right here behind me. So I'm excited for that blanket. I'm excited to snuggle up with it. I love blankets. If I haven't said so already. Okay, the next thing that I got, and this was an add-on, not an add-on. So each customization you get to choose one, and then if there's another, if there's another product that you want, you can choose up to one other in each customization. So I forgot which one this one is in. Let's just say hypothetically it was in customization 3. And there was one product that I liked in customization 3, so I chose that one. But there was another product, so I also chose that one. This is my favorite mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've been using this mascara since I was probably 14 years old because my mom was using it, and I loved it. I loved that mascara. So I've just been using that mascara for almost 12 years. And this is, like I said, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I am running low on my travel size that I got from, I believe, Ipsy. So now I got a refill, and it was for a better price. I think the price of the mascara is like a little over $30. Don't quote me. And I got it for like $15. So yes. Now let's go ahead and show you the last product. Okay, so super excited for these. For those of you who don't know, I actually don't live at home. Well, I do live at home. I have a home, but I don't live at home with my mom or with any of my family. I live a few states away. I'm here in San Antonio, Texas for school, and so I have my own home, my own apartment where I can choose how to decorate it. I can choose what I want to use for plates, what I want to use for bowls, what I want to use for home decor. So I get to choose my own everything, my own stuff. And FabFitFun actually has helped me with that because some of their past boxes I received a doormat, a black and white doormat, and I never opened that. I was like, you know what, I'm going to save this doormat until I get my own home. I am going to leave it in its original packaging until I get my own home. Now it's out. I got some other decor that I was like, I'm going to keep it in this packaging until I get my own home, until I can decorate how I want to without having to worry about anyone almost breaking it or anything. So that's something that I've done. And FabFitFun has made it easy for me to do that at an affordable price. So this fall 2023, they actually had these, ooh, these are nice too, these plates available. These are Kime, and they're not glass, they're actually, let's see, they are melamine plates. So they can't really break. They're like kind of like a plastic. And they're just a dark navy blue. And I actually got another product from Kime, I believe, in my summer box or spring box. It was a 2 set of ceramic like fruit basket kind of things. So like you can put blueberries in there, blackberries. Anyways, so I got, this is just a set of 4 of the Kime melamine navy blue plates, which I'm excited to use. I don't think you can have too many plates either. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm excited to have opened this box, and I can't wait for winter because that's going to be a fun box too. And I'm crossing my fingers for another Unhide blanket because I love Unhide. I know I can just buy a blanket from Unhide website, but I'd much rather get one in FabFitFun box. Anyways, that's the end of my FabFitFun video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys would like to see more of my videos, subscribe down below, and I will see y'all next time. Bye everyone!